Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of Asset Operations Management, also known as AOM. We'll discuss how to establish clear objectives, a crucial step when starting with AOM that can greatly influence your implementation success. Stay tuned, as we'll also delve into common objectives you might consider and offer tips on selecting and articulating these objectives. With something as powerful as AOM, it can be easy to get wrapped up in the potential improvements across so many areas. However, focusing on your biggest pain points is exactly what you need to do to optimize AOM performance, see substantial and rapid return on investment, and obtain management and employee buy-in to continue investing in the system in the future. Now let's talk about some common objectives you might want to consider. Some organizations can immediately identify their most significant maintenance or asset problem, while others may have a more difficult time selecting top priorities. Here are some possibilities. First, reducing equipment breakdowns. If mission-critical assets are routinely breaking down, causing unplanned downtime, and leaving your workers with nothing to do, finding a way to reduce those breakdowns should be a primary objective of AOM. Second, easing the administrative burden. If your documentation system is cumbersome and time-consuming, AOM can help reduce this administrative burden, freeing up more maintenance time for repairs and proactive work. Third, supporting predictive maintenance processes. If you have reactive and preventive maintenance under control, the next level of performance comes from predictive maintenance. AOM can help better support and manage sensors and alerts, as well as analyze the data that comes from such tools. Fourth, improving MRO inventory management. If your team is unable to locate the tools, equipment, and supplies necessary to maintain productivity, this may be an excellent objective for your AOM system. And finally, tracking maintenance data. The key to better decision-making is to not only gather all data in a centralized and comprehensive way, but to track it over time and then extract insights that can help a company take effective action. Regardless of whether you select one or more of these or other objectives, make sure you establish clear goals that are based on your specific business needs. Now let's talk about some tips on selecting objectives. Remember that the AOM model is based on a transformation of culture that must permeate all levels of the organization. So it's critical to incorporate all levels and personnel in this initial step of setting clear objectives. Take time to discuss the question with technicians, supervisors, and managers. Find out what is making it difficult for them to succeed in their individual jobs and on their specific teams. Once you select and articulate objectives, tie the AOM effort back to the input you received during the inquiry phase, so all employees feel part of the bigger effort. If technicians, supervisors, and managers feel heard and believe their own issues are being addressed through the AOM initiative, they will be much more likely to actively participate in the new program. After your organization has made the final decision about initial goals, you can determine which tools or modules you may want to purchase, as well as identify workflows and processes that may need to be established or changed. It's also important to periodically check in with your employees to gather feedback on how they perceive objectives are being met. This information will not only help you share progress and small successes along the way, but also give you data to help you adjust and tweak the AOM system as you move forward to have an even greater impact. And that wraps up our discussion on asset operations management and the importance of establishing clear objectives. We've talked about how to identify your biggest pain points, select and articulate objectives, and incorporate feedback from all levels of your organization. Remember, these steps are crucial to optimizing your AOM performance and seeing a rapid return on investment. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. And don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more about how we can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful.